In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Generative Upscale in Adobe Photoshop.
So I have a video thumbnail image open, and let's go look at this image size. If you go to Image, Image Size, this image is currently 1920 by 1080 at 72 dpi. So if I zoom into this, you can see it does start to pixelate a little bit as I zoom in. So let's test out this new feature. You can go to Image, Generative Upscale. So you have options for 2x and 4x. We'll just stay at the 2x because this is a pretty big image, and say upscale. And let's see how it does. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's go back up to image, image size, just check our image size and our dimensions. Okay, so it did upscale it to that size, and it's 72 dpi. So it doubled the size of the image. Overall, the quality looks really good. So that's how you use Generative Upscale in Adobe Photoshop.
If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.